Hey, how's it going guys? Developer Nod here, and today back with another video. In today's video, it will be creating an XP system. I put a poll out in my Discord server, link in description down below, asking if it should be one long video or two separate videos. And with that, it came to the conclusion where they wanted just one very long video. So I went ahead, I've done a couple of things. It will be a decently long video, not exceptionally long, but we're going to get straight into it. So we need to open up the database, and in here we need to make xpdb.js. We need to do const mongoose equals require, and require the package mongoose. Const xp database equals new mongoose.schema. Okay, we're going to do guild ID. We're going to put squiggly brackets. We're going to do type string require true. Alright, you can copy this, paste it here. We're going to change guild ID to user ID. We're then going to paste it again. We're going to change this to XP. Now this is going to be number, and it's not require, it's default, and this will be 0. Alright, and we're going to copy this and paste it down again. This one's going to be our level. Alright, the default's going to be 1. Alright, and then under here, we're going to do module.exports equals mongoose.model. Okay. User XP. Or we can just do user. And XP database. Okay, right. With that, we can now go into our commands, make a new file called xlevelsys. Okay, so in here, first of all, we are going to do Rank.js. We are going to do SetRank.js, and we are going to do, I believe, ResetRank.js. Alright, once we've done these commands, we will go straight to the events. So in Rank.js, before we do this, we need to do npmi canva cord. canvacord. Okay, and with that, we are going to get a couple of things from discord.js whilst this downloads. Okay, and with this, we are going to get attachment builder, slash command builder, and chat input command interaction. We're then going to do const capital R for rank equals require canva cord. Okay, we're then going to do const user equals require database slash xp database. Just get the semicolons after all of them. Then going to do module.exports. Okay, with that, the data, that's all capitals, will be a new slash command builder. I'm going to set the name as rank. Set the description as check your level or another member's level. Okay, we're going to add a user option, and with this, we're going to set the name as member. Set the description of level are you checking. Okay, it's not required. We can put a comma here. We're going to do async execute interaction. We're going to do const member equals interaction options dot get member or interaction dot member. We're going to then do let user. Down here, we're going to do const guild ID equals member guild id const user id equals member.user.id. We're going to do user equals await user dot find one, and in here it's going to be guild id user id. Okay, we're going to do if not user equals level 1 xp 0. Okay, we can come out of this if statement now. We can do const rank equals new rank dot set avatar member dot user dot display avatar dot set current xp user dot xp dot set level user dot level dot set rank 0, 0, false. Okay, we are going to set the status to member.present status. If we continue further, you need to go to main. In the intents up here, you need to do guild presences and add it down here as well. So that's on the gateway intent bit, guild presences, and const client for the intents, guild presences. Okay, continuing on, we can do dot set progress bar. Okay, hashtag FFFFF and color. You can change the progress bar to any color you wish. Dot set username will be member.user.username. And we're going to set discriminator member.user.discriminator. Okay, we're then going to do rank.build. We're going to do a dot then data arrow function it interaction dot reply this needs to be a capital R interaction dot reply files new attachment builder data name will be rank.png. Okay, we're going to add that into speech marks, and that is all for the rank. We're now going to complete reset rank. So what we can do, we can come to rank and we can quite literally copy all of that. Reset rank, paste. Right, all you're going to do down here is add that, and boom. Okay, so for this we do need to get a parameter. This would be the chat input command interaction. Okay, so after all of this, you do user equals await user.find1 guild ID user ID, simple as simple does. Alright, we're going to do a try. We're going to do await user.find1 and update. Okay, so we are going to send down the line. We're going to do guild ID and user ID. Put a comma here and open up another set of squiggly brackets. Level will be 1, XP will be 0. Okay, and that is it. Also, underneath here, we need to add a comma. We also need to do upsert true, new, true. Okay. And then yeah. Just making sure everything was correct. We need to do down here a dot then interaction dot reply. The content will be successfully reset member dot username this needs to be set true, and we can get rid of this or statement. Successfully reset rank / level. Okay, and then obviously for this try we need to do a catch error console.log error. Okay, we can now copy this and paste it into SetRank, and then the XP will stay at 0. Successfully change rank / level 2, and then up here we are going to copy this, paste this, and it's going to be add number option. This will be the level. What is the new level? Okay, you're going to do const new level equals interaction options dot get number, and this will be level. Okay, and then down here the level will just be new level. Okay, and we need to do this. Boom, new level. Okay, I can close this. So that's that. And now, moving on to the events, we can close the command section, open up events. We can create a new one called level sys. We need to create the event called message create.js. Okay, and with that, there's not actually that much necessary to do with the event. It's more or less simple, is what I was trying to say. It's more or less, well, customizable is the correct word for it. Let me shut down the rank part. I believe I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something. I am. Dot set required XP is, oh, that's meant to be capital P. I knew I was missing something. Will be user dot level times 250. You can change this to however much you want to be. The default is 250 though. You can go higher, or you can keep it as that. Anyway, moving to the event, we can do const user equals required dot dash dash database / XP database. We can do const cooldown equals new set. We can then do module.exports, name message create. We can then async execute the message. Okay, we can do const guild ID equals message.guild.id, const user ID equals message.author.id. We can do if, oh, that's off. If message.author.bot or not message.guild return, and if cooldown.has user ID return. Okay, we're going to do obviously let user. Once again, we are going to open up a try function. So the const XP amount, this will be how much they get. Math.floor, math.random. We're then going to times this by 25 minus 15 plus 2. Then out here we're going to do plus 12. We're then going to do user equals await user.find1 and update. We are going to do guild ID user ID. Okay, and then down here we're going to do the guild ID I don't believe this is correct, however, we're going to keep it as that for now. Upset will be true, new, true. Okay, and we're then going to come out of this, and we're going to do let XP level equal user. Equal user. We're going to do if XP greater than or equal to level times that original 250 amount. We're then going to do plus level XP equals 0. Okay, and we are then going to do message.reply. Congratulations, user ID. You have just reached level. You can put the level. Okay, and then you're going to do await user.update1. We are going to copy this and paste it here. However, this will be level, this will be XP. Okay, and then we can do catch error console.log error. Okay, and then out of this we are going to do cooldown.add message.author.id, and we're going to set a timeout arrow function. It's going to be cooldown.delete message.author.id, and it will set a cooldown for a minute per message. So they send a message, give it a minute, and it can add XP again. Prevents people spamming and getting a load of XP. With that, we will now run it in the terminal to make sure there's no errors. So we do that by putting node space m, node space dot. Alright, everything checks out. Oh, nothing. No, it doesn't. Okay, so it will be something with here. It's because we haven't renamed these. So that'll be SetRank. This will be reset. I knew I was doing something wrong. And this will be reset someone's rank. And up here we also need permission flag bits to do .set default permission flag bits .administrator. Okay, copy this line of code, go to here, paste it, and get permission flag bits from here. And this will be set someone's level. Okay, we can now clear the terminal and do node space dot. Okay, no errors this time. Oh, yeah, that's the economy. Ignore that. Okay, I will see you in the testing part of the Discord server. Okay, so I am now here with the testing. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure /rank works. Sending command. Do we have an error? We do. So I'll explain it. So in the rank at the very, not the very top, it will be the embed. It will say const capital R for rank equals new rank. That needs to be a lowercase r for that rank. Alright, and we are then going to node dot it again, and this time it should work. So if I do /rank, sending command. I was expecting this error. So what error is currently occurring is it's saying this isn't a function. So what we've got to do up here is we've actually got to get the parameter of chat input command interaction, and every time it says .user we just need to get rid of that. So member.presence.status, member.user.username, that can go. Alright, it should work now, hopefully, all in all. Make sure we haven't got any errors. Okay, right, that's economy again, you can ignore that. Okay, so back to the testing. We can now do /rank once again. No, we can't. Member.displayAvatar is not a function. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, so we can go up here, get rid of that. Right, let's try this. Member.displayAvatar URL. That's why. Okay, simple error. All of these little constants, simple errors, error fixing. Alright, let's go back and try again. /rank. Seems to be another error. This would be set current XP, saying that this isn't a function. So if I have a quick look, it's because this XP, there needs to be a capitalized P. Again, it's a simple spelling error. Okay, all these little spelling errors. This here also I got changed. That needs to change. New lowercase r for rank. Alright, let's go again. Hopefully the testing works this time. All in all. Alright, /rank. It doesn't. Where is this error? Ooh. Interesting. If I get rid of that parameter, I believe I know what this error is, although it's not really saying anything descriptive. And then I do /rank. Hold on, stand by. Member.use. Okay, expect username to be a string received undefined. With the interaction.member. Oh, alright, I can see where this is coming from. So here we're getting the member, but up here we've got a user option. So this would be get user. Simple error. Should have noticed that a lot earlier, however, I didn't. Okay, right, let's restart the bot and hope it doesn't break on us this time. Okay, /rank. Oh, it's not working. Rank.build is not a function. Okay, this is where I've done yet another capitalization error. You see where it's capital R? It needs to be lowercase. Right, are we going to get it perfect this time? Probably not. It's all about errors testing, to be fair. Come on. What now? It's missing the discriminator. Okay, so this is where we do need the .user. Okay. Let's go again. All these little errors that add up. Okay, right. /rank. There we go. So as you can see, I'm currently on Do Not Disturb. If I change that to idle, and I do /rank again, changes it to yellow. Same with if I change it to green, it will show green. And if I change it to invisible, it will show I'm invisible. Let's go back to Do Not Disturb before I get thousands of pings. There we go. Okay. So hopefully, SetRank, if I set myself to level 10, undefined. Interesting. Okay. So, it's an error we need to fix on all of them. So here it says get member. We need to change this to get user. Just copy and paste that, set and reset. Okay, and reset the bot. Okay, and it should say my name this time. However, let's make sure it has set my rank by doing /rank. I can see I'm now level 10. and if I do /resetRank, sending command, it's saying it can't read the ID. Okay, let's look into this. So on ResetRank, cannot read the undefined property of reading guild member.guild.id. Okay, this needs to be interaction. That's why. On reset, it has to be interaction. It cannot be guild, not member even. Okay, and it should work this time. So if I do /resetRank, nope, still hasn't worked. It still cannot read ID. It cannot read member. Okay, so on user ID in ResetRank, it just needs to be member.id, not member.user.id, just member.id. Okay, we're going to reset my rank once again, and it's successfully reset my rank. And as you can see, I'm back to level 1. If I send a message and I do /rank, I have not gained XP. Hello. Okay, let's check my rank. Okay, you get the memo. It will add. For some reason, it's not. Oh, let is not defined. No wonder it's not friggin' working. Okay, let's have a look. What do you mean let isn't defined? It doesn't need to be defined. Okay, let XP, comma, level equal user. Let user try const XP amount equals find one update. If XP level of XP times 50 equals level XP 0 as replying destination. Interesting. Interesting indeed. This is rather interesting. Let is not defined. Now, let's figure out why it's trying to tell me that let is not defined. Because Honeyboo, it is defined, alright? Okay, so, let's show you what I'm looking at. That would be a great start. Okay, so to fix this error, it's saying let is not defined, which obviously, as we know, let is a function. It's just deciding to say, I'm not working today, right? So, to fix this, I believe... Oh, I don't actually. It's an event, isn't it? So, how are we going to fix this? We are missing something. That's probably why it's not working. We need to do inc inc and xp will be xp amount. Okay. And then it should work, I believe. Okay, so what I'm quickly do is I'm going to send a message. Has let saying it's not? Yes, it is. Let is not defined. Interesting. Okay, you can change this to whatever you want, by the way. It doesn't have to be 25 minus 15 plus 2. Just keep them small numbers, though, is all I'm going to say. Right, let me see if my version of this works. It may just be a typo. Okay, I've typed. Hold on, let me type again. Okay, it said I've reached level 1. Okay, so it was a typo somewhere. So, let's have an exact look, shall we? So let user try const XP amount. Lowercase that. I know it's very picky, but user lowercase user is away. Capital user dot find one and update. Okay, XP. Upsert true, new true. Okay, that's why. It needs to be them, and this needs to equal user outside. That's all it was. Okay. Bless me. Alright, so if I reset my rank and check my rank. Okay, if I do open message, oh, I've leveled up instantly. Okay, that, oh, I know I've reached, yeah, I know. Okay, right, let's change this, because it's telling me I'm level 1. Okay, so, we're going to do if user.level equals, it does not equal 1, we are going to put this in here. Else return. Alright. Okay. So, let's show you the Discord side of things. Okay. So, as you can see, all of this blah blah blah. Let's reset my rank. I type a message, I check my rank, and it's added 20 XP. It's random XP, adds randomly. But yeah, that's the XP system. Hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to join my Discord server. Link will be in the description down below. Noted as fan server. We are currently at 83 members. Oh, coding support. Should we show some live coding support? Error when installing better SQLite. Oh my gosh. You do not have the Python version in. Okay, simple error that he did not know how to fix. But yeah, when you join, you have to do a simple verification, which I can show you. If I get rid of remember, I can hit verify, and all I have to do is type capital A34CF. I hit submit. You wait for the message down here. I've been successfully verified. I now have access to this. And this is where I can select the coding section, which you can get the help for tutorials for this part of this channel. Community, where you can just have a chat, you know, you get access to all community channels. And also you got gaming for my second channel, which has recently been opened. Join the Discord server to see that. Discord server, yeah, join the Discord server. It was announced here. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day.